take life seriously. You need to wake up. Wake up from the state of heedlessness. If you feel good about yourself that you pray a couple of prayers a day, or I pray the 5 daily prayers, but you do different things, you're happy about that, you're proud about yourself, wake up to the reality that no matter what you do for the sake of Allah, it's never enough. You should grow day in and day out. You should be growing. The moment you decide to stop, you're being drawn downward by shaitan. You need to wake up to the reality. Don't say, oh, I give sadaqah, I give £100 a year every now and then, I pray for the sake of Allah, I fast Ramadan. What more than that does Allah want from me? No matter what you do, it's never enough, because you can never pay Allah back. You can never reach the real state of